Hey, it's Lindsay, and this is your 10-minute core workout with no repeats. Let's do it. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna sit on the ground, legs in a butterfly position, and we're gonna be starting with 2 frog crunches into 2 frog leg lifts. So let's go in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Crunch, crunch, and lift up and down and tap and up. Good. Do those 2 crunches using your lower abdominals and then lifting up. Crunch, crunch, and lift, lift. We have 20 more seconds. Today we have 10 different exercises, and each exercise is gonna be about 50 seconds long. Good, 10 seconds. Our next exercise is gonna be for mountain climbers to 2 standing crunches. So here we go, into our mountain climber position. And we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going into standing crunch. 2, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, into those standing crunches. Good, starting out by getting our abs moving and doing big ranges of motion, and then we're gonna be hitting them hard for the burn. Good, and lift up and up. And big mountain climbers, 3, 4, and up and crunch. We have 20 more seconds. Good, and crunch, crunch. 2, 3, 4, and lift up high, big crunches. 5 seconds, last one. Good, next exercise is gonna be alternating V-ups. So we're here on the ground, lifting up and touching. If you need to make this one a little bit easier, you can switch it for a tuck up. Good, trying to keep those legs straight, really lifting up all the way and crunching at the top. So not just to here, all the way. 30 more seconds. Good, keep crunching. You should be starting to feel a burn in those abs. Next exercise is gonna be walking high planks. In 10 seconds. And up, last one, and here we go, flipping over into our high plank position, and we are gonna be walking. So here, and walk. Trying to squeeze those glutes and lift those feet up to the sky while not initiating using our glutes, just isolating. Staying in the same position, and the only thing that changes is that leg going up. Good, we are halfway. Our next exercise will be a little bit easier. We're gonna be doing triangle pose reaches. Good, keep squeezing, almost there. 15 seconds. Using the core. 10 seconds. Almost there. And 3, 2, 1, and stand up. Arms in a T, legs spread out, and we are reaching down, looking up, and back over. Good. Back up, and T. Next exercise, we're gonna be on our belly, and we're gonna be lifting our arms and our legs for swimmers. 30 more seconds. Good, keep it up. And reach over, look up to the sky. Catching your breath before we go into some more core exercises. 8 seconds. And 3, 2, 1. On your belly, and we are gonna lift up, alternating arm, alternating leg. So here we go. Right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. And let's go a little bit faster. Using your back and your shoulders to initiate the movement and not pushing off the ground, just lifting. Good, trying to keep those legs straight. Making sure that you're not starting with bent legs. You want to keep them straight all the way off the ground. 20 more seconds. And lift up, alternate arm, alternate leg, and switch. Good. Almost there, 5 seconds. We're gonna be flipping onto our back for a big sideways scissors. So laying down, hands underneath your butt, and we're gonna be here, shoulder blades off. Big scissors, so open and cross. Open and cross. Making sure that you're squeezing your abs in. You're not letting your back come off the ground. You're pushing your belly button all the way to your spine. And keep going with those big scissors. See how many you can fit into the next 30 seconds. Good. Double checking to make sure that your hips aren't opening and closing like that, that you're keeping your hips rotated under. 15 seconds. Almost there, 8 seconds. Next exercise are runner sit-ups. 2, 1, and down. So we're gonna be ready to hit our runner arm position. And we're lifting up the opposite arm, or the opposite leg, and back down. Good. 90-degree arms, knee coming in, and switching. Good, let's see if we can speed this up a little bit for our last 35 seconds. Good. Really feeling the burn in our lower abs. And reach up and hit. Good, and hit the other side. Making sure you're still keeping those lower abs engaged. So not letting your lower back do all the work. Squeezing, almost there, 5 seconds. Next exercise, our side plank raises on the left side. So we're flipping into our left side plank. Go ahead, put your legs out straight, and we're lifting up and down. Good. And we are on to our last 2 exercises. So you can probably guess what our last exercise is. It's the same thing on the other side to make sure that we are nice and even. Good, 30 more seconds. Pushing up, trying to stay in a nice straight line, not letting your butt pop out the back, keeping nice and squeezed, leading that hip directly up to the ceiling. Good, we have 10 seconds. And the last couple before we switch to our last exercise, which is the other side. And up and down and switch sides. Last exercise. So we're here on our elbow, legs straight out beside us, keeping in a straight line, and lift up. Good, pushing through that shoulder, engaging that oblique, squeezing those abdominals. Good, keep it up. Only 30 seconds left. You're gonna make it. Good, keep squeezing. Squeeze those glutes and push up. 20 seconds. Very good. Almost there. And 10 seconds. And last couple. And 3, 2, 1. And we are all done. Make sure you like this video if you like it and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for working out with me today. Let me know in the comments how that workout went for you, and also make sure to leave me a like if you like this video. I release a new workout just like this one every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the new workouts. Also, if you want to get even fitter, check out this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.